Okay, so we're going to go over the basics and the first steps that you're going to follow whenever you come and get ready to sign up for the Dispute For Me Now application. So this is free credit repair. The only thing that you will be paying for is credit monitoring. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it because this is going to be actually saved in our Facebook group as well. If you're not already in our Facebook group, you need to go ahead and join it. The name is Free Credit Repair Using AI. So what you'll do first, go to member.disputeformenow.com. Whenever you come here, you might see a page that looks like this. So if you don't have an account created already, you will just go up here and click this link that says don't have an account, sign up. Now, what you need to do, just enter your first name. Just enter your information. So we're gonna do Jane Doe, and you're gonna type in your email address and your password, and you must check this box that says you agree to Dispute For Me Now terms and privacy policy. And whenever you do this, you create your account. So I'm just gonna do a quick one and password and create this account. And you're gonna, next step is to create your profile. So you're gonna put in the first line of your mailing address. What this is just a street address. So if you live at, well, yeah, we're just gonna do a PO box for example. So let's do my address of PO box, Greenville, Texas. So it's gonna auto populate. So we're gonna type that in and you're just gonna type in your phone number next. So we're gonna do an example one. Okay. And you're gonna click add profile. Now at this step, you must sign up and enroll in your credit report. This is the only thing that you'll be paying for. So in credit repair, a lot of times you don't know what you'll be paying for on the back end with credit repair companies is you'll be paying some form of an enrollment fee. It could be $100, it could be free, or it could be $200, it could be $300. You don't pay any of that. And also what you'll be paying is either a monthly subscription program or pay per delete program as I offer in my company as well. But inside of this, you don't pay for any credit repair. You just pay for credit monitoring, which is this right here. And a lot of other companies, they require you to enroll in credit monitoring. So you don't have to do any of that, and you're going to learn how you can fix your own credit yourself. So you get to this step right here, you have to click enroll. If you already have smart credit, you're going to have to click the button that says connect credit report. Now, 9 times out of 10, if you don't go through this link right here, it's not going to work. But if you already went through our link already, it might work. Okay, so if you skip this credit report step, which I'll do right now, you're gonna come and see a screen that's just like this. It's gonna say you have to collect your 3 bureau credit report to activate Dispute For Me Now automated dispute features. You can click this button to see how it works, but I'm not gonna worry about none of that. The next step you need to do is just click this button that says connect your 3 bureau credit reports. So we're gonna go ahead and open up a new tab. It takes you back to the screen and you have to click the button that says enroll. Once you get here, see all your information is already populated. You're just going to create your password, a security question, enter in your social information. You go through here and enroll everything. Okay. So the next video, I'm going to assume that you've already created your smart credit reports. You enrolled into it. It's activated and you linked it to your portal. Whenever you link it to your portal, this red banner up here will not show no more. And we're going to walk through how you can actually go through and start creating dispute letters and what the process is like, how everything is processed. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'll see you on the next video.